What is up, guys? I got a cool video for you today. I got some steering wheel trim, little carbon look-alike pieces that hopefully will kind of pop over here on the steering wheel. The reason why I got these is because I'm having some peeling up from this silver piece. I know you can get a new piece that's like gloss black, like the newer ones, or get a replacement one, but I thought I'd give these a shot because they're a little less expensive, and I don't have to take this piece off. So these just will adhere with some 3M tape. So my plan here is to put some rubbing alcohol on this cloth. I'm going to clean it really well and try to put these on and give you my initial thoughts and drive with it for a little bit and see if it kind of affects the way I grip the steering wheel. So let's get into it. So I just unwrapped it and I want to take a quick look here. So it does have the carbon look, and it seems like it fits pretty well. That's kind of a good sign. Now, obviously this is not real carbon fiber. It's just the pattern. The real carbon ones are pretty expensive. Maybe I'll do that someday, maybe not. The only gripe I have with this is it doesn't quite match the factory carbon. But let's go ahead and try to install this and see how it looks. So I got my alcohol on this cloth here. What's nice is that the alcohol evaporates really quick. And you see I got a little bit of dirt off. I keep my car pretty clean. I'm not sure maybe that's coming off the leather or not, but I feel like I got a little bit of dirt off of it. So that's probably good. That's probably good news. I'm gonna peel the liners off of this tape and then put it on. Okay, so I got the tape liner peeled off, and I'm going to try to carefully position this with one hand. I feel like it looks like it fits pretty well. It's not very flimsy, it doesn't feel like it'll pop off or anything. So far so good. This is just the bottom piece. All right, let's do the top right. You can see I'm getting some dirt off. I'm not sure if it's just removing the painted color off of it or it's actually removing dirt. Maybe alcohol isn't the best. I'm not sure. But be careful when doing yours. Make sure you're using something that is appropriate for yours. My buttons are... And here is this piece. It looks like it comes in just like this. So I'm going to peel the release backing off this adhesive and stick it on. So just like the bottom one, I have the adhesive ready to go, and I'm going to try to position it right the first time. It's stuck on. Doesn't feel like it's going to come off or anything. It looks like it doesn't hit the airbag horn. So let's do this one next. Here we are. The adhesive is ready to be stuck on. It's really sticky. There we go. I think that's good. Just make sure it's not hitting the airbag or horn or anything. Good. I can press my buttons. Nice. So here we are. Here is the carbon fiber look, or like it looks like it's hydro dipped carbon fiber. There was a few spots on my trim where it was peeling, like down here, and there's a few spots up here that was kind of like losing its color. So I'm gonna rock with this for a little while until maybe one day I'll go like real carbon fiber or something. But just initial impressions, it looks pretty good. So let me know if this helped you. Hopefully you guys try this out if you want to. I'm gonna drive with this for a little bit, and if you have any questions about how it feels, or if it stays on in the heat or whatever it may be, just ask and I'll try to get back with you.